Tag Free started with the concept that we've all been going through this situation when everyone is putting women into brackets and calling them by different tags and labels and calling them by different names and putting them into brackets of some sorts, either to privilege them or put into a bracket for no reason. And what we, IMG, and we believe, and all the designers supporting this show believe that there should be no tag because there is no box made to put women into. So with that concept, we ran through the whole list of the designers we had, and like we had multiple discussions with the designers, and we had the same belief. So all my designers, which are Rajesh Pratap Singh, Dhruv Kapoor, Miu Niku, Bodis, Suket Dheer, Sanchita Ajampur, and Raw Mango, have come together to make clothes which fits women body and not the other way around. Because once you see a garment or an outfit or a design going onto the runway on a model, you sit on the front row and say, will I look good in it? But I just found it very objectifying and wrong, because the garment should be, the women should choose the garment and not the other way around. So that was the basic concept, and we chose women of all, if I have to say it this way, of different shapes, size and beliefs, and like just variation of all women, representing the all womankind, and going for the concept and saying that we are tag free and we are undefined and we don't belong to any bracket. And we have a lot of people supporting us, almost a whole industry, almost more than 1,000 people supported us by posting their picture on Instagram, on the social media, wanted to be tag free and undefined. So that was the whole concept, and that's how I went about it.
Thank you so much. Sapna, would you like to say a few words?
Sure. नमस्ते, आप लोग कैसे हो? आप लोग ने शो देखा पहले तो? हाँ?
You saw.
Oh wow, okay, I'm surprised. I guess thank you Kshitij, because it was really nice to be part of something that does not brand you, because as you can see, I don't really believe in rules. So fuck the rules. Bas.
Thank you. Petra, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, definitely. I'm so happy to be here. This is my first time in India, and I'm so happy to be the first ever gender-neutral model in India ever. Thank you. And I hope it can change something, in this country.
Thank you. Sarah, would you say a few words?
I believe very strongly in no tags and no labels. I've given various talks about it, put up various posts. So when Kshitij asked me to be a part of the show, it was kind of a no-brainer. I always say that labels and tags weren't meant for people, they were meant for social media. So yeah, that's it. That's what I believe in.
Thank you. Tushita, would you say a few words?
It was lovely being a part of the show. And given that I'm so into body positivity, and we had a platform for a petite model, a plus size model, and all these body types was so amazing. We really needed a representation, and thank you for creating the platform.
Thank you. And finally, Angelique Rana, would you like to say a few words?
Well, firstly, I think Kshitij has put a great curation of designers together, people who actually stand for what they believe in, are an authentic character and representation of themselves. And I believe that we should be able to live in a life where we don't have to confine to stereotypes and labels and definitions that we don't actually agree with.
Thank you so much. We're just going to do a quick photo op first, and then we do the bites. Yeah. So if you just get together.
Go left. Left. Yo. Lauren. Yeah, do a left. Hey. Everyone to your left. Everyone. Stop passing, guys. stop parking. Go left. Stop.
Conference for Label Ritu Kumar. Congratulations on a fantastic show. We have Amrish, we have Ritu Kumar, and of course we have the gorgeous Vani Kapoor. Amrish, would you like to talk about your collection first?
You can use that mic.
Hello. So, I mean, you've all just seen it. The idea of the collection was more than the theme. The brand that we are trying to develop is meant for a young, independent, free-spirited Indian woman. So, you know, you start with that context and then you build on it, and this is how the collection was created. So, we used a lot more luxe, for want of a better term, some more luxurious fabrics, more intense prints. We leaned on heritage. We used a lot of new fabrics that we've never used before, like the gold pieces you saw. We put a lot of metallics in it. Now I'm describing the collection which you've all seen, but that's broadly what it was. It was supposed to be young and vibrant and fun and sexy. So that was the collection.
Thank you. Ritu, would you talk about the collection at all?
Would anybody like to take questions, or do you want me to?
I think we just talk about your collection and then we'll talk to Vani. And then
Can you hear me? Yeah, a lot of familiar faces say hi. Well, as Amrish said, I think we're coming to a stage in India where I personally, as a designer, feel that we should not really let high street brands be Western and Indian designers should only do bridal. I think it's ridiculous. I think we have enough talent in this country and we have so many more places to go to build a really indigenous, organic Indian brand which can stand on its own and doesn't necessarily have to be only for the Indian market. It can stand on its own in any international market, and we are working towards that, but using a lot of the crafts and the textiles from our world, which has had the richest textiles ever, and marrying it with silhouettes which we need maybe internationally, because things are moving. People are dressing differently, and the Indian woman today is not the Indian woman 50 years back, and I think she's not going to be the Indian woman 50 years hence. So we have to look at a very modern India, and we have to look at an India which enjoys their own culture as well. So this label line is somewhere in between.
Thank you so much. Vani Kapoor, do you want to say something?
I would just like to say that I'm very, very privileged and honored and grateful for having me here, because I've been a big fan of Ritu Kumar's collection. And this is labeled Ritu Kumar, which is all the more like, it's just something which I can maybe wear it more often. Like I can just like, it's so wearable and it's so youthful and it's so effortless. And I feel it still has, it's still chic and has touch of royalty, which is merged with pop of colors and vibrancy. And the fact that it does not look like you're trying too hard is something that makes it all the more fun and closer to what I say, my kind of style.
Thank you. We're going to open the floor for some questions. Has anyone got any questions?
मैम हाय, हर बार मैम देखते हैं लैक्मे होता है, हर बार एक नया चैलेंज होता है कि इस बार मैं क्या, क्योंकि हम भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं, तो मैम कैसे डिसाइड करते हो कि ये अच्छा लगेगा, तो उसके ऊपर अगर आप थोड़ा सा बता पाएं।
ये डिसीजन तो एक डिज़ाइन डिसीजन है, और ऑल्सो ये देखते हुए कि माहौल कैसे चल रहा है। आजकल तो हम लोग सिर्फ ये नहीं करेंगे ना कि शादी के कपड़े ही बनाएंगे, माहौल कैसे चल रहा है, आपकी आगे की पीढ़ी क्या चाह रही है और क्या पहनना चाह रही है, और इसमें से इंस्टिंक्ट निकलता है कि लास्ट सीज़न स्पोर्ट्सवेयर में था, इस साल ये कोई ब्लेंडिंग जो हो रही है हमारी बिटवीन ओल्ड कल्चर और जो नई जनरेशन है, इसको देखते हुए एक पूरी टीम है, डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, अमरीश इसको डायरेक्ट करता है, उसकी एज ग्रुप ज़्यादा है जो ये चीज़ डायरेक्ट कर सकता है, तो इट्स अ ब्लेंडिंग बिटवीन द ओल्ड एंड न्यू, और किसी तरह कुछ निकल आता है।
वानी हाय, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जब आप कहीं बाहर कि बीइंग अ एक्ट्रेस हर कोई आपको पहचानता है, तो आप कॉन्शियस होते हो कि मैं किस तरह की क्लोथिंग लाइन फॉलो कर रही हूँ या कुछ एफर्ट?
I wish I was more conscious, and then maybe then I would have come in your best dress list. I'm getting there. Now I'm getting there. See, I do feel at times. I mean, of course, you cannot be very. You can't take it too lightly. You know that you're being clicked, and then it's just unwanted flag that you might get for not looking nice. But I don't. I'm also very true to myself and my sense of styling. I'm very. Again, my sense of style is also very effortless and very comfortable and very. I still keep it stylish. It's not like I don't. I think I have a decent taste in my clothing. I don't accessorize a lot, but then I do make sure that I'm looking. How do I put? Not a diva, but like dressed well enough to like step out.
बॉलीवुड में आपको कौन सबसे अच्छा एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस में स्टाइलिश लगता है और क्यों?
In Bollywood, no? In Hindi cinema, I think everybody today, in today's day and age, dresses up really well, and they all have a very good sense of style. So it's very hard for me to pick one. They all have very unique sense of styling. In fact, I feel Sonam has a very she's somebody who can experiment, and she loves experimenting, and she can pull off practically anything. I also like Anushka or Alia and all of these girls who dress up how I think, how usually girls our age dress up, and I really like the sense of style. It's again very effortless and very chic.
Vani, here. What goes on in your mind when you're walking the runway?
Goes on my. So I hope that I don't trip. I hope nobody's throwing rotten tomatoes on me when I'm walking. No, jokes apart, I mean, I'm only thinking that I'm going to make the most of that moment, and I'm having fun, because if you're not having fun, then it shows it on your face. You look conscious, you look nervous, you look like, oh my god, I got to like end this soon. So I try to make most of that moment.
Ma'am, can you talk us through the ensemble that she is wearing?
The ensemble she's wearing is actually print, but that is done by hand painting, very much like the hand paintings that they do on the glasses in the palaces, but it looks neither Western nor Indian. It has richness, and the embroidery that she's got on her jacket is India's forte, but we just wanted to do three-dimensional flowers rather than Zardozi or something that you go to a wedding in. I think basically what she's wearing is, we have to move our fashion out of wedding clothes. They have to be something, as she says, she feels comfortable in, and it's not over the top. And some of the stuff that we do, you could go to the airport in without feeling any tension. So I think that is part of the whole story.
One last question.
Sorry, I'm sorry? Hi first, I remember you.
Hi. When was the first time you walked on the ramp? Could you tell us something about it?
First time when I walked. My first year of modeling, I was actually there for one of these shows where Mickey wanted me Mickey contracted the makeup artist, famous makeup artist. He wanted me as a model, and he was just doing makeup on me, like showing it to the designers, using me as a I was a clothes horse. And I think it was Manav Gangwani, the designer, who saw me, and he's like, oh, she's nice and she's pretty, and I can use her for my this thing. And then he just like he took me just like that, and I walked, and Appu was the choreographer, and she really liked me. She was very kind and generous, and then she took me from there on, and then I started modeling.
Thank you. We'll just do a quick photo op of all of you standing, and then we'll do the interaction.